Solicitation. In this context, we're not talking about the crime solicitation. We're talking about soliciting new clients. So it's similar, but they're different rules. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to recognize solicitation and related ethical issues, categorize the ethical issue by name, use the category to perform the legal research necessary to understand the issue better and find possible solutions. Okay, solicitation is typically, they say face-to-face, I would say one-on-one. Well, advertising happens at a distance. And solicitation is prohibited. So you cannot, by in-person, live telephone, or real-time electronic contact, i.e. text, solicit professional employment from a prospective client. So you could send out a general, have a general ad, but directly contacting a prospective client, that's prohibited. And you cannot use coercion, duress, or harassment. And it can differ from state to state, so I posted the Louisiana rules. Now, most states allow solicitation of family members and former clients. You can call up, your niece and offer to do their legal work, just not strangers. And some states allow solicitation of lawyers. When a lawyer is calling other lawyers. Prepaid legal service plans are also accepted. Sometimes you get these with your employer. It's kind of like health insurance, but for law issues. Emailing strangers about the legal service of your firm is solicitation. Sending a link to your firm's website is solicitation. Chat rooms, message boards. Now, there is a mass disaster moratorium which bans communication with families of victims for 30 days in the case of an airplane crash. That's so that they can have time to process what's going on before they're inundated with lawyers offering to make them money. And it allows the families to have time to make considered choices. It's a little bit different if you're not going to be charging them. Some may be problems. Okay. Does the mass disaster moratorium apply to a website offering help to mass disaster victims? Is that solicitation? Well, it's not really that one-on-one. And solicitation of clients with the permission of the court in a class action case when the plaintiff is not actually known to be a class. So this could be like they send out emails to anyone who could possibly be within this class. But first, they have to get permission from the court. Runners and captors. This is definitely not good. Paying others to find clients is illegal. You can't station people in the emergency room looking for people who've been in accidents so you can, make some money from them. Paying a reward to police, doctors, court personnel, etc. to refer clients is totally illegal. Planting plaintiffs or creating litigation is illegal. And there was a case recently in Louisiana where these lawyers were basically encouraging people to get into accidents with 18-wheelers on the high-rise, and then they would represent them and get a settlement from the truck company. Yeah, totally illegal. And it's the same for paralegals and lawyers. And the lawyer may be held responsible for solicitation by employees. So not only could you get in trouble for it, but the lawyer you work for could get in trouble for it if you're doing it. Okay, so that wraps this up. I said it was going to be quick. And good luck. Read the articles and do the assignments. And the chapter. Read the chapter.